If a swap or bundle swap job was completed, Frazil will provide a bill of lading for the machine to be returned. Before the scheduled pickup, please include no more than 4 machines on a pallet, unless otherwise instructed by Frazil. Next, remove the feet, the faucet assembly, and the drip tray. Place the feet and faucet assembly into the bowl, replace the light lid, and then place the drip tray on top of the light lid. The machine should be strapped with a maximum of 2 machines per strap, machine fronts facing inwards. The strap should run between the bowls and across both machines, securing them to the pallet. Wrap the machines to the pallet with industrial plastic wrap, being sure to secure the drip trays into place. Please provide a packing list that details the number of pallets, the machines that were sent, and send a photo to Frazil once the equipment is strapped and wrapped. If you are shipping less than 4 machines, make sure they are centered on the pallet before strapping and wrapping. 3 machines require 2 to be facing each other on one end of the pallet, with the 3rd machine centered on the other end. If shipping 2 machines, they should be placed in the center of the pallet with the fronts facing each other. If shipping 1 machine, it must be placed in the direct center of the pallet.